Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you about in maths basic concepts in geometry. Okay. Now, first of all, in geometry, the word geometry you can see. In this, we are going to study something about the figures. That is like what is a point, line, segment, plane. Okay, we are going to study what these things are. So the first thing, suppose anybody asks what is a point, you can see here point. So just a simple what comes in mind is point is just, we can say it is a point, right? But how you are going to say it, define it in this way. Point. What is a point? A dot. A dot. See here I have written in a bracket, okay? Dot. A dot is a point, okay? Second, now here what is line? Okay, line. Now we know very well line means you can straight away say just one line like this, it is a line, okay? But exactly what is the meaning of line? You can see here I've drawn one small line like this and shown here what? Bracket, arrow, right? Now what does that arrow means? Arrow means this line can increase both the sides. It can go on like this also, it can increase this side also, okay? See here, a line is a line which can be extended in both the directions, okay? Now what's the meaning of extended? Extended means increase. This line can increase this side also and this side also, okay? That is why it is written here, a line is a line which can be extended in both the directions, okay? Next, segment. Now what is segment? A segment, you can see here in the bracket I have shown one dot is here, one dot is here, okay? In between the dot there is this line, okay? What does this dot show? The dot shows the line is from here to here only. It can't go this side, it can't come this side also, okay? So here it is fixed, okay? That is why it is said as segment. A segment is shown by 2 points like this, okay? This is known as segment. So remember one thing, again I am just repeating once again, listen carefully. First one, point. A dot is a point, okay? Line. This can come in fill in the blanks also. It can come for one line answer also. It can come for define like this, define point. So you have to write this. Is it clear? I can say define line. You have to write this. Yeah, a question can be asked. What is a point? Yeah, what is a line? What is a segment? Okay. So line. A line is a line which can be extended in both the directions, okay? Now here what is segment? A segment is shown by 2 points. Is it clear? Now students, after this I'll give in the next video, but till then just write down neatly and start writing these things, these points. Okay.